Spicy pork vindaloo. East Indian Indyal. The spicy vindaloo made by the East Indians of Bombay, India is derived from Portuguese Carne de Vinha dalhos dish, which was basically meat in a marinade of wine and garlic. Our East Indian version includes chilies and cumin, and makes your mouth water, literally. You'll love it as much as you love our corn tongue, or corned beef, or the lush pork sambari. What ingredients do you put in a pork vindaloo? We usually make at least 2 or 3 kilograms of pork vindaloo at a time, but you can try just 1 kg if it's your first time. 1 kilogram pork with a thick fat layer, cut into medium pieces. 15 Kashmiri chilies. 2 pods garlic. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon jeera or cumin. 250 milliliters vinegar, 1 tablespoon salt. P.S. In case you don't eat pork like me, you can use chicken or fish in the same recipe. I don't eat pork, but the fam loves it. Sometimes I want to start eating again, but nah. Anyway, is there a difference between this East Indian vindaloo and the Goan vindaloo? Some say there isn't, but we noticed that Goans put onions in the vindaloo, and we absolutely don't. That's quite a change of taste. How to make pork vindaloo. Start by grinding all the ingredients to a fine paste with a bit of the vinegar. Apply this paste to the pork pieces and marinate overnight in a stainless steel, earthen, or glass dish. The next morning, add the rest of the vinegar and slow cook the pork on a medium flame till the meat is tender. Remember to stir occasionally. If needed, add more salt or vinegar, but never water. We usually cook the vindaloo for about an hour or so before it's ready, but it depends on the stove. After an hour, check if it's soft enough to eat, or cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Vindaloo can be stored at room temperature for a few days to a week. Enjoy the spicy vindaloo with appas or plain rice. Visit the link in description for the full recipe. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.